I spent 24 hours learning Blender to create my own 3D product and at the end have it printed out.
Why am I doing this?
Well, I still have a dream to pursue, and that is building my dream business
With my cute characters.
I've seen so many opportunities online for my tastemakers friends to shine with the help of 3D animation, modeling, and creation. One day, I hope to see my characters on a billboard, or like here, a drone light show in Seoul. How cool would that be? Imagine tastemakers friends collaborating with your favorite idol in an advertisement. The opportunities are endless. This would be a huge achievement, and honestly, it feels like the kind of milestone that would make this dream business become reality. But let's go back to reality. I have zero experience in Blender.
So how am I supposed to make a product when all I see is a cube?
To learn the basics, I started with the infamous learner tutorial on YouTube by Blender Guru. Everybody who already know how to use Blender probably already know that this is the holy grail tutorial to start learning Blender. Now let's make a donut. By the way, this is not a real donut. It's fake, but it looks so real.
Another one there. So you go then from having that real.
This is how my donut looking like right now. We're getting there. It's alright. It's pretty okay. So I'm really excited how it will look like later when it's finished. This is how it looks like right now. It's looking more realistic. And I really like that. Yes. I'm at the tutorial part 6 from Blender Guru. I have sprinkles now. I'm so happy that I come that far. Of course it's not looking super cool yet, but like, I mean, like when I started it looked so crazy, but now it's having sprinkles. It's so cool. I'm so happy. Thank you. I still have 8 more parts to do. What is he talking about? It's given cutesy, it's given delicious. It looks pretty good, I think. It's just nice, isn't it? It still needs to render a little bit, but oh, now it's close to crystal clear. Oh, wow. Wow, so cool. After around 7 hours of modeling, texturing, and rendering, I finally understand now why this is the go-to tutorial to start with, because Blender Guru really teaches you the fundamentals of Blender. I feel like as a beginner, his tutorial is really helpful, so I can highly recommend it if it's your first time, because it helped me somehow. I mean, for the next project, you will see why, because it just gave me the fundamentals.
완벽한 설명. 슬레이.
But why should I stop at a donut when I can actually create something now of my character Hyo? So let's take it a step further. God knows why I chose her tutorial here, because her tutorial is completely in Japanese and I don't understand Japanese.
Feel like falling deeper. Cold nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무 길어. 줬던 내 사랑이 식어. 기대만 하는 것.
Even though I didn't understand the language, I followed along with the visuals. Shout out to Google Translate, by the way, for saving me. It really helped me. The process wasn't smooth, and I had to redo some parts multiple times. But I really enjoyed the process, and after a while, things started clicking, and I kinda got the hang of it. Instead of making a normal snowman, I made a human, because why not? I'm just training here to hopefully make an advertisement with you in the future. Manifesting someone sees this and hires you as the next ambassador for Korea, please!
이중적인 면을 가지고 있어. 각자나 너라면 다를까 생각이 들어
I really liked her tutorial. I learned quite a bit about animation, how to create lights and even glass materials.
서로 궁금해져 버려 애써 맘 졸여 하늘만 보면서 언제쯤 알게 될까 너도 나와 같은 생각을 하고 있을까 한참을 멍하니 보다 보니 살짝 어두워진 색깔 불그스름한 노을의 색깔 상상만으로도 좋은 상상만으로도 힘든 이중적인 면을 가지고 있어 사랑이라는 것
Doesn't it ring like Christmas time, Christmas time? It's so Christmassy, isn't it? Whoa, these sparkles. Yo, whoa, 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 whoa. So cute. Oh my goodness. And they're so cute.
Here's the final result. After 14 hours of using Blender, what do you think? Compared to my donut, this felt like a level up, right? And then it hit me again. Why stop at a digital 3D model? How cool would it be to have a physical product made of your 3D model? I was thinking about a cute collectible figurine. But before jumping headfirst into making figurines, I wanted to test how a 3D product would actually look like. And thanks to my amazing friend, I got the base of my snow globe printed out and received my package a few weeks later. Printing out the base of the snow globe was probably not the smartest idea since my model was not optimized for 3D printing, but I wanted to see what difficulties could come up. Like, would the fragile lanterns survive? As you can tell, nope, they didn't. They did not survive. And the snow looks pretty rough too, in my opinion. But the house and Hue itself, they turned out amazing, and the material could have been better. It might be too light, so next time I will be using a different kind of material. I just wanted to check what a 3D printer can create, and more importantly, what I can sell, because I'm planning to open an online shop soon of my tastemakers friends to let you become a part of this dream business too.
Well, now that I know how Hue looks and feels like, it's time to make an actual product. And I was thinking about a collectible figurine. Next up, a Hue collectible figurine.
Right-clicking, this menu appears and I'll click the first option, called Shade Smooth.
Oh my goodness, what did I do? Never mind. Nothing happened. Nothing happened, boy. Nothing happened. Don't look at me.
My brain is precious.
She is crazy.
It's crazy. Ooh. Can I see it?
It's bad. It's really, really bad if you look close. Like here, now it looks creepy. This one is looking a little bit better because of the ears. But the freaking side, he's just a rumble. It should be maybe we should squish him a little bit and pop, like smash him a little bit.
I think you should squish him a bit. Like smash his face a little bit. I think he's not this round guy. He's
not.
A little bit more flatter in the front and the back.
Yeah.
A little rounder.
Yeah.
On the sides.
Right.
Let's go.
Don't save. Oh my god, I'm so hella dead. I just sitting the whole time at this Blender thing and try to model Hue. Actually, I think to model Hue is not
so difficult, but I don't know, for me it's somehow it's just difficult for me. Because I want to have it perfect and it's not looking how I imagine it to look like, but I'm also just a beginner. But anyways, so this time I'm so happy with the, like, not super happy, not 100% happy, but I am happy with how this one turned out. Because, as you can tell, he got like a little butt, he got like a little stomach, tummy. His legs are a little bit flattened so he can walk better. Also, I'm much more happier with the ears now. It looks so much cleaner, so much neater. Yeah, now I have to color him. Woo-hoo-hoo. Let's go crazy. He looks so freaking creepy. Pixelated. That looks bad. Oh my Jesus. It's so ugly. I'm gonna do it again. It took me already forever to figure out how to fix all these blender problems. Okay, can do that. I think I finished my 3D model. The texture paint still looks ugly, but that's fine. I mean, the face, I still have no idea how to do better, in a better quality, but I just needed the 3D model anyway, so I can print him out actually as he is. But I thought that would be a little bit too boring to have him just as a figurine, and I was looking around town and saw that thing over there, a piggy bank. So I was thinking, okay, might as well do a piggy bank and then have them printed out. Yeah, let's do that.
Hope your mental health will
Oh,
be better than me.
oh, sweet, sweet guy. Oh, oh, slay.